Hey guys, DJ here. Today we're coming back to you with another episode. Cartoon Wars, yay! On my side it is pretty glitchy. But who cares?
Gameville.
That's how creepy it's just like Gameville. Huh? Oh, I have been playing for a little while, so let's see what our upgrades are. Dang it, take forever to get my mana up a bit. Mana refreshment increases speed, upgrade, or water upgrade. So I figured out how to start my ransack this place. The worst thing about this is that those flame things are there. What did they think that was what was gonna happen? Wait, what? Oh, I thought mine was upgraded to 17 now. My veteran. Let's just see as the battle just clashes. 3, 2, 1, clash. 45 against 2, that's easy. Did you see that? They both got annihilated. Okay, those Reapers to continue. Just posting pretty soon. Just like the a short episode and make it to up to 17, so let's get our upgrades right now. The closest I am ever getting just a full upgrade is 4 out of 5, which with the gold right now. So let's check out how the final battle will end out. I'm also uploading another video later on today, so let's just watch. 3, 2, 1, crash! Spam those get back, guys. Okay, I got half of them annihilated just when I paused their fire. Thank you guys for my third one, and stuff like that. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to definitely call it soldier spam, but punching out, punched out like them in the face, like a